Hello and welcome back. In this video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Rocky Linux and some of the applications pre-installed. Rocky Linux is a Linux distribution that is intended to be a downstream, complete binary-compatible release using the Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating system source code. The project's aim is to provide a community-supported, production-grade enterprise operating system. The first release candidate version of Rocky Linux was released on April 30, 2021, and its first general availability version was released on June 21, 2021. On December 8, 2020, Red Hat announced that they would discontinue development of CentOS, which had been a production-ready downstream version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, in favor of a newer upstream development variant of that operating system known as CentOS Stream. In response, original founder of CentOS, Gregory Kurtzer, announced that he would again start a project to achieve the original goals of CentOS. Its name was chosen as a tribute to early CentOS co-founder Rocky Miguel. By December 12, the code repository of Rocky Linux had become the top trending repository on GitHub. As of June 21, 2021, the general available version of Rocky Linux 8.4 has been released with the codename Green Obsidian. The project is sponsored by Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud among others. Rocky Linux uses systemd as its init software and supports BTRFS and XFS file systems. For package management, Rocky Linux uses DNF. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the DNF package manager. Rocky Linux includes the version 4.18.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Rocky Linux are Firefox, Boxes, Evolution, Rhythmbox and Text Editor. Let me know your thoughts about Rocky Linux in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.